Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today the issue we are having with this machine now is that my lifter is refusing to go down. As you can see, it's hanging up like this, but when I'm bringing this down now, it's not going down. Bring it up, it's just stuck one place. So in case this is the exact problem you're having with your machine, I'm going to show you how to easily solve it. So once your machine has this kind of problem, it's usually from here, this nut now. So I think this nut is way too tight. It's way too tight. So normally you can't just use your hand so you have to get a plier for that. So in case you don't have a plier, you need to get one, or maybe you can borrow from your neighbor, because you can't really use your hand to really lose it. So just, you see, as soon as I just turn it, this presser foot just went down immediately. So after losing it, then you have to lose it a little. Just make sure you bring it up a little. Then see, but it's still tight. Just lose it up a little. Might be wondering how it happens like this. Maybe so it might be somebody that just maybe was tampering with the machine and went and tight it. So you just have to lose it, then check it. Yeah. So don't over lose it, because if you lose it too much, your presser foot will not be able to hold the material firmly. So I think like this is okay. Now let's see if it will be able to hold the fabric very well. So we're testing it with this to see if the presser foot is really catching. Yeah, I think this is okay. It's catching very well. So let me just match it and see if it will move. Take out my needles so that it will not create hole on the clothes. As you can see, it's moving. It's moving very well, and my presser foot lifter is able to go up and down. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. Now if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And you also see another of my channel, a new channel that just opened. It's also about sewing maintenance and all that. So I also need you to also subscribe to the channel and make sure you go through the channel and you see some interesting videos that you can be able to watch. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on our next video.